So I've had this mouse for about a year. It's the MX Master 2S, and I love it. It's a great mouse. The only thing, my biggest complaint was that the clicks were so loud, and I recently fixed that. I took it all apart, as I'm about to show you in this video, and I replaced the micro switches. It's completely quiet now, and it's made a big difference. I just love this mouse even more now. I actually found the micro switches on eBay. There's a seller who sells quiet versions of the micro switches inside this mouse here, and I think they fit a lot of other mice too. So let's get into it. And so I've already moved all the screws here. There's two T5s at the top, and under each of these there's just a Phillips head there. There's one here, there, and there. So when you get all those screws out, go ahead and pull this apart. Then watch out, because there will be a ribbon cable right there. And you can go ahead and take this guy off. Just like that. I got it off. And that comes off. So the next step I did was I removed these 7 Phillips head screws here so I could remove the battery and take off this circuit board. The circuit board with the micro switches needs to come off in order to be able to remove the micro switches and put on the new ones. So I found these silent micro switches on eBay. Just search Omron silent micro switch, and so far they've worked great. Mine had a different colored button, but other than that they're exactly the same. Now that we have all our screws off, this board can come off, and now you have access to these pins. And you can remove these 2 micro switches and replace them with. So I went ahead and put my mouse back together. When I did this job, it only took me about 30 minutes to get it done and switch out the micro switches. Ever since, I've been super happy with this mouse. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.